They laughed at him, called him the poor kid, made fun of his torn shoes, his cheap backpack, the way he ate free school lunch every day. He was 14 years old, and every single day felt like a battle. But he made a silent promise to himself. One day, I'll come back. And they'll see. 10 years later, he did exactly that. He bought the entire company where they all worked. And what he did next shocked everyone. Some cried. Some apologized. And the internet went crazy over it. This story has over 50 million views across platforms for a reason. Stay till the end, because the final moment will give you chills and restore your faith in justice. His name was Ryan Carter. Growing up in a small industrial town, Ryan lived in a trailer with his single mom who worked 2 jobs as a cleaner. Money was always short. His dad left when he was 5. At school, Ryan was smart, top of his class in math and science, but that didn't stop the bullying. The worst came from a group of rich kids led by Brandon Hayes, the son of the town's biggest factory owner. Brandon had everything: new sneakers, latest phone, designer clothes. He made Ryan's life hell. Tripped him in hallways. Poured milk on his lunch tray. Spread rumors that Ryan's mom cleaned their houses, which was true, and it humiliated him. The lowest point, during a school assembly, Brandon grabbed the mic and said, "Everyone, let's thank Ryan for keeping our toilets clean." Just like his mom. The whole school laughed. Ryan ran out, crying in the bathroom. That day, he promised himself, "I will make it. And I will never forget how this felt." He studied like his life depended on it. Worked nights at a gas station. Saved every dollar. Got a full scholarship to a top engineering university. Graduated with honors. Started coding apps in his dorm room. One idea, a simple logistics software for factories, took off. Investors loved it. By age 24, Ryan's company was valued at $200 million. He became a self-made multi-millionaire. But he never forgot his hometown. Or the factory owned by Brandon's dad, the same one that employed half the town, including many of his old bullies. In 2025, the factory hit hard times. Bad management, competition, debt. The owner, Brandon's father, was forced to sell. Ryan quietly bought it through a shell company. No one knew it was him. On the day the sale closed, Ryan flew back to town. He walked into the factory wearing a simple hoodie and jeans, no flashy watch, no entourage. Employees whispered, "Who's that?" The manager called an all-staff meeting. Brandon, now 24, working as a mid-level supervisor thanks to his dad, was there, looking bored. The manager announced, "I'd like to introduce our new owner." Ryan stepped forward. The room went dead silent. Brandon's face went white. Others who bullied Ryan gasped. Some looked down in shame. Ryan spoke calmly. 10 years ago, I was a kid from the trailer park who worked summers here cleaning floors. Many of you knew me. Some of you made school unbearable for me. I won't name names. But I remember every word. Every laugh. You could hear a pin drop. He continued. I didn't buy this factory for revenge. I bought it because this town raised me. And because I know what it's like to struggle. So here's what's happening today. Every employee gets a 20% raise effective immediately. Full health insurance for families. College scholarships for your kids. And profit sharing, everyone owns a piece of this company now. The room erupted in cheers. People cried. Hugged each other. Then Ryan looked straight at Brandon. Brandon, you still here? Brandon nodded, barely able to speak. Ryan walked over. Everyone watched. I could fire you. A lot of people would say I should. But I'm not going to. You're staying. And you're going to work on the new community program. Helping kids from poor families get internships here. You'll see firsthand what it's like on the other side. Brandon's eyes filled with tears. He whispered, I'm so sorry, Ryan. I was a stupid kid. Ryan nodded. We all were. Now let's be better. Later, in private, Brandon broke down and apologized fully. Ryan forgave him. The story leaked. Local news picked it up. Then national. Then viral on social media, 50 million views, millions of shares. People wrote, "This is the best revenge, success and kindness. Proof that bullies don't win in the end." Ryan never did it for attention. He did it because he remembered the pain. And chose not to pass it on. Today, the factory thrives. Kids from tough backgrounds get mentorships. And Ryan? He visits every year, in the same hoodie, talking to new employees. No matter where you start, you can make it. And when you do, lift others up. Success isn't just money or power. It's what you do with it when you get there. Ryan was mocked for being poor. He turned that pain into fuel. And when he came back on top, he didn't tear anyone down. He built everyone up. If this story fired you up and reminded you that your struggles today could be your strength tomorrow, smash the like button, subscribe to Kind Heart Tales for more powerful true success and kindness stories every day. Turn on notifications so you never miss one. And share this with someone who needs motivation right now. Thank you for watching till the end. You're going to make it. I believe in you. See you in the next story. Red Heart.